Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime into safe mode and out of safe mode. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So I'm going to be showing you how to get into safe mode and also how to get out of safe mode, so that in case you got into it and you're having trouble getting out, you'll be able to get out of it. So first off, let's get into safe mode very quickly. So you're going to press and hold the power button. When the power off menu appears like this, you're just going to tap and hold, you're going to tap and hold power off, and it's going to give you the option to reboot into safe mode. So here you're just going to select safe mode, give it a couple seconds, and it's going to reboot into safe mode. And there we go. As you can see, the phone has booted into safe mode, as it says safe mode down here on the lower left hand corner. Once you're ready to get out of safe mode, all we have to do is once again press and hold the power button. And when the power off menu appears, we're going to select restart. Give it a couple seconds and it's going to restart normally again. And there we go, the phone has rebooted and it is no longer in safe mode. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.